Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're running your business through QuickBooks, you probably know how crucial it is to keep your financial data safe and organized. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to archive your QuickBooks Online data so you can access it anytime without cluttering your live account. This is perfect for backups, audits, or just peace of mind. So, let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. That's your settings menu. From the drop-down, select Export Data. This is where QuickBooks allows you to safely archive your information. You'll notice two main tabs here, Reports and Lists. The Reports tab lets you select key financial statements like your balance sheet, profit and loss, or general ledger. The Lists tab includes things like customer lists, vendor lists, product and service items, and other important references. Simply check the boxes for the data you want to archive. Once you've selected your data, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will start compiling your files into a single downloadable package. This usually comes in a zip file, which contains all the reports and lists you just selected. After the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer and extract it. Inside, you'll find all your exported QuickBooks data neatly organized. You can open your balance sheet, review your general ledger, and access every list or report you chose. This way, you have a complete offline record of your financial information anytime you need it. Archiving your data not only keeps things tidy, but also ensures you have a backup in case of accidental deletions or system errors. It's quick, simple, and gives you peace of mind knowing your business records are safe. And that's it. Now you know how to archive your QuickBooks Online data in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.